Lower leg pain may be associated with an imbalance of the root chakra related to fear of moving forward in your life. I know in my case, I can think of at least 3 instances where something like this happened to me. First time was when I had a severe Charlie horse or a leg cramp in my calf right before I was closing on my first house. Second, I had bad heel pain due to plantar fasciitis when I was going through a major career transition in my life. And third, I had a stress fracture in my foot just as I was about to publish my second book. So whatever it is in your life that you might have fear of moving forward on that might be contributing to your lower leg pain, we're going to use emotional freedom techniques or EFT tapping to release that stuck emotion from your body. Usually the protocol uses multiple components with the EFT tapping combined with color breathing, therapeutic shaking, and imagery and visualization. To begin, we'll just do a subjective units of distress score or SUD score to assess where you are right now. So 10 is the worst lower leg pain you've ever had in your life, 0, nothing at all. And then we're going to start with the setup phrase, which is just going to be by rubbing on the sore spot underneath your collarbones with your thumbs. Go down until you hit the hard ribs and then find some soft intercostal muscles that might be a little tender. Pick whichever side is the most tender. And we're just going to say, even though I have fear of moving forward stuck in my leg, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have fear of moving forward stuck in my leg, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have fear of moving forward stuck in my leg, I deeply and completely accept myself. Now take a deep breath, and we use 2 different colors. Deep breath in of your favorite healing color, and then breath out of whatever color represents your fear. And we'll do that in between each step. Now we're just going to start by tapping on that sound bite out of the setup phrase, which is just fear of moving forward stuck in my leg. Side of your eye, fear of moving forward stuck in my leg. Under your eye, fear of moving forward, stuck in my leg. Under your eye, fear of moving forward, stuck in my leg. On your chin, fear of moving forward, stuck in my leg. Collarbone, fear of moving forward, stuck in my leg. Under your arm, fear of moving forward, stuck in my leg. And below your breast, the lowest ribs you can find, fear of moving forward, stuck in my leg. Top of your head, fear of moving forward, stuck in my leg. And another deep breath in and out. Favorite color in, fear color out. We're going to switch sides now, and I call this the offline step. We're going to go deeper into the conversation here. So side of your right up eyebrow point, say fear of moving forward stuck in my leg. Side of your eye, I'm terrified of what might happen. Underneath your eye, it's too risky to move forward. Underneath your nose, what if I fail? Chin, what if I make a mistake? I've got either a cramp in my leg or pain in my bones or something in my tendons that's really flaring up. And it gets worse when I think about the fear of moving forward. Deep breath in and out. Next step is the neutralize step. We're going to go back and forth between the negative and positive and see what comes up. Play along, it'll get kind of crazy. So start with fear moving forward, stuck in my leg. Side of your eye, I'm ready to move on and heal this. Under your eye, not so fast. I've got a lot of fear, but maybe it's time to let it go. Well, I'm not sure it's that easy to let go of. Time to boost my confidence level. But what if I'm just kidding myself? Below your breast, it's time to take a leap of faith forward. Top of your head, I'm curious just to see how it's going to unfold. Deep breath in and out. And switch hands again. Now we're going to shift into the positive, more self-hypnosis, visualization mode, and start with, I want emotional freedom now. I'm letting go of the fear, and I'm pulling in the confidence I need to move forward. I move forward with confidence and ease, knowing that all is well in my future. and that my symptoms are just symbolic messages that I need to pay attention to. They're going to guide me moving forward, and I will be safe and successful, and I might even have fun doing it. Deep breath in and out. Now this time, close your eyes and just keep breathing in and out a little deeper, a little faster, like you're hyperventilating a little bit for the next minute or so. In and out. Favorite color going in, fear color going out through your feet. Let it go into the ground. And when you feel that your favorite color coming out your fingers, shake your fingers down by your side and let the energy move down through your body, out through your feet, wiggle your toes, stomp your feet, whatever you need to do to kind of hit the reset button on your body. And once you've shaken out whatever you need to shake out, let yourself settle down, scan your body, looking for any place where the fear is stuck. And if you do identify a spot, assign it that fearful color, and breathe your favorite color down into that spot, releasing it down into the ground. Now, take yourself to your favorite healing place out in nature somewhere where you might go on a wonderful vacation, and see yourself there with all 5 of your senses, seeing, hearing, feeling, tasting, smelling, whatever it takes to get you there. And then while you're in this place, imagine looking down at your feet and looking on the ground around you to pick up a healing object off the ground. So just pick the first random object you see, which will be your magic recycling tool, and hold that in your hand. Let all the fear drain out of your body into that object, taking the pain with it, and then release it back to the earth any way you want, and it'll be magically recycled, and the fear will be turned into compost. Next, invite a spirit guide to come visit you in your place, and I recommend one of 3 choices, either all beings from the other side, either a wise ancestor of yours, a spirit animal, or an angel. So pick whichever one volunteers first, and ask them for words of wisdom on how to move forward successfully. Once you've done that and had that little conversation, then invite your guide to go back into the past with you. Think of a time when you were moving forward and you might have had some concerns about being successful, but it all worked out well. So go back to a time like that when you really moved forward boldly and it worked out. So think about whatever that was in your life that worked out. It doesn't have to be a big thing. It could be a small thing. It could be last year or years ago. Once you've tuned into it, imagine someone took a picture of that scene, and then you're going to put a picture frame around it, and you want to put a color that reminds you of that feeling to move forward successfully. So what color reminds you of that, the essence of that successful move forward? Once you got the color around there, breathe that color into your body, put that picture up on your wall, so you can tap into it anytime you need to be reminded of successfully moving forward. Now let's move forward in your time machine to when this symptom of the lower leg pain started. Think about what was going on in your life then, what challenges were you facing, what fears were coming up, and think of creative ways to rewrite that script. So something you could have done or said, or some mindset that you would have adjusted to let you move through that area of resistance into your future with success. So rewrite that scene any way you want, be creative, as if there's a parallel universe out there where you actually did something like that right when the symptoms started. Once you've played around with that to your satisfaction, then you're going to move forward into the future where your leg pain has resolved and you're moving forward successfully in your life. So see that happening. It could be a day or week or month in the future, whatever seems reasonable to you. And when you see your future self moving forward successfully with a comfortable lower leg, assign a color to that feeling and put another picture frame around that with that color, and breathe that color into your body wherever it needs to go. And put that picture up on the wall next to the other one from the past, so you know where you've been and where you're going successfully in the future. And once you've done that, you can bring those images back with you, stretch, open your eyes and come back. And then we'll do one more thing just to take you back into that future frame. A three-step self-hypnosis process of just thumb and finger squeeze together. Open your eyes wide, and then take a deep breath and hold it. And then when you're ready, let the fingers relax, close your eyes, and blow the breath out. And project yourself into that future picture frame, seeing yourself successfully moving forward. Then you can go back and assess your SUDS score to see if the experience of the lower leg pain is still the same, if the score has gone down. And then you can tap on this symptom again as often as you need to. And you can use this video to guide you. And then I recommend going to my website, larryburk.com, where I have other YouTube videos, some of which are related to pain, like low back pain, fibromyalgia, things like that. But there are other videos about weight loss and other issues you might be interested in. There are also blogs and TEDx talks there as well. So feel free to contact me through the website contact button, and if you have a question that you want to ask about the process. So I wish you blessings moving forward, and let your lower leg be your guide. And if you need to release any more, just do what you need to do and move forward where you want to go. See you in the future. Bye.